Hey guys, so if you've watched my channel for a little while, you know that there are some things that I really complain about kind of consistently. And one of them is my lashes, because they're basically non-existent. And they've really always been like that. I mean, I'm sure when I was younger they were a little bit better, but they've never been great. And I've always wanted to do eyelash extensions, but they were just always too pricey. And I tried the magnetic lashes, which were a disaster. I can leave a link above for the video where I gave those a shot. I'll just try to get a good pic in this lighting and such, and then show you guys when I return, let you guys how long it took and all that fun stuff, because I'm really curious. And if it's $30 every like 4 to 6 weeks, to me, that's doable. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's kind of cheap. So if it works, that would be great. So anyways, I'll be back and I will let you know how it goes, and I will insert some pictures before. I'm not going to do any during, like I'm not going to like vlog the whole experience. It's just not really my style. But I will come back and let you know how it goes. So wish me luck. Hey guys, so Elizabeth is joining us. Let me just blind her. Say hello, friends! Hello, friends! She turned 8 months yesterday, and she is the sweetest thing. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you about my lashes. I think she might want to face you guys, yeah. Okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys, yes, she does, about my lashes. So this has been 24 hours that I've had them. I'm only wearing eyeshadow. As far as eye makeup, I didn't do anything else. She's used to me talking to myself, so this isn't anything new for her. They're growing on me, so to speak. I am definitely going to remove them probably in like a week, if I can make it that long, because I sleep on my right side, and already, babe, chill. Already, like this little end one is like dangling down further than it should be. I know, that's how I feel too. So I don't know if you can see that. Just having a baby is so wonderful. This is not amusing to her at all. What? How about we look at yourself in the mirror, because you are the cutest thing. Who's that? Who's that gorgeous girl? Yes! Anyways, so I am going to try to keep them. A couple people at work and a couple of friends were like, Jen, because I thought they just looked insanely huge. I thought, you know, like, I'll insert the picture that Sean sent me when I was getting it done, because he was like, this is what I imagine you're getting done. Very amusing, by the way. I'll insert that. Men are precious. Anyways, so they are growing on me, but they're still not what I wanted. Now, for $30, I can't really be all that choosy. I would still like to give it a try, going to someone who like really knows what they're doing, and I'm gonna have to pay more, but I would really like to try to get like actual natural looking, like individual lash extensions. Like I would really love to try that and see how it looks and how it feels and how it works, and if I could do it. I really would love to, but for this experience, it said for 24 hours I wasn't supposed to like take a shower, wash my face. I'm not supposed to use mascara at all or any makeup remover on them, obviously. And I forget what else. And the approximate life of these is 2 weeks. And this particular place doesn't do like refills. They just tell you to like wait until they all fall out, and then you get them all redone again. Advice on this, let me know, especially if you're in like the suburbs of Philly area. Like what type of stuff should I be looking for? Should I be looking for like mink? Like what kind of lashes should I be getting, and what price should I, like is there an affordable quality way to do this? Like, Dada, you hear this? I birthed you. I birthed you. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Anyways. Hey guys. So this is our day 5. Yes. Sorry, I just counted. I can count. Okay. This is day 5 of the lash extension slash glued on segments of lashes. So I have been super careful. Sorry, I think I was bit by a vampire last night, but there's only one mark. Okay. I have been trying to let it be somewhat natural. So I'm only wearing eyeshadow, no eyeliner, and no mascara. Not even on my bottom lashes, because if you know, I have like 3, so it just looks silly and I end up smudging mascara all over like my under eyes, so it's just not even worth it. I don't even try. Sometimes I do, but now I'm not. Anyways, I actually do really like them. So here's a little bit of a close-up of the lashes. So these are the short ones, and they are supposed to be lash extensions, but they're basically just glued on segments. They're all the same length. Like I know typically, like this, obviously, if you watch this whole video, they were $30 to get done. And I'm on day 5 and I'm pretty impressed. But the reason I'm saying that these are not like lash extensions is because I think lash extensions are individual lashes. These are not. These aren't even clusters, because I believe a cluster is like one central point and then like multiple lashes coming from it. I believe that these are segments. So this is almost like you took a false lash, like a strip, and just cut it into a couple pieces and then glued it on. So I feel like that's what it is. I was initially very upset because I was worried that I was going to have a reaction because my eyes kept watering, because he wanted my eyes to be like open and looking in a straight spot, and like I was like leaning back and he was behind me doing it. And it kind of, like the glue kept dripping into my eyes. And it was stinging, and then my eyes would tear even more than they were tearing before. And it was just like, if I have some sort of reaction and I end up making one of these videos where like my face is like puffy, I'm gonna be like really upset. So I was just worried that I was gonna have a reaction, and of course it doesn't feel pleasant, and I was just concerned. In an effort to make them last longer so that I'm not putting makeup remover right next to them. So I like wipe off the eyeshadow and like face makeup, but I'm trying not to touch the lashes at all. I'm also limiting my showers because I'm one of those people who likes to take like scalding hot showers, and I know that steam can be used to help loosen the lash glue. So I'm sure I'm gonna do a removal video at some point, and I know that that can be helpful, but I don't want to remove them right now, so I'm just trying to not take super long hot showers. I was originally not very pleased because I was expecting lash extensions, and that's definitely not what this is, you know, and there's a difference. So that is where my complaint lies. And also my own just like stupidity in like not asking more questions. I need to be better with that, especially when it's your eyeball involved. Kind of a big deal, kind of want to keep them, kind of enjoy seeing. Hey guys, so this is day 11 of my false lashes, whatever they are. I'm makeupless, so I apologize. I hope I didn't have any like children nearby that were frightened by my face. So yeah, I think I'm ready to take them off. I'm a little nervous about the process because I don't know what the process is. I do believe that this is lash extension glue, but these are basically strip lashes that were just cut into segments and attached. So it has been 11 days. He said they would last approximately 2 weeks. I might have time when she goes to bed to give this a shot and take them off. I didn't want to let them naturally run their course because they're so dramatic looking. I was afraid that when they started to fall off, it would just look ridiculous. Like, it's one thing if like 1 or 2, but these are segments. So like pieces of it would fall off and leave like empty. You know what I mean? Like I just have to take them off. Hey guys, so the lashes stayed on for a grand total of 12 days. On day 12, they were just looking kind of beat up. So I went to the salon that I got them done at, and for $5 plus tip, he removed them. I know I was going to try to do a video where I removed them myself, but I'm really glad I didn't because it did not look easy, and it took you to like soak them in something. So anyways, I think that was the right decision as far as getting them removed professionally by the people who put them on. And I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, just let them naturally fall out. But I feel like I said a couple times that I was concerned about that because they were so not natural looking, that it wasn't going to be like a subtle, you know, they're like slowly just wisping away or something. It was going to be like they were hanging off, and it was just going to be wild. So I think I made the right decision. But my lash adventures are not over. This was one, you know, one of the steps into, you know, trying to figure out lashes. I feel like I should make a folder of lash videos, because I tried those magnetic ones, and I still have them, even though they never worked for me. But I think there's going to be more lash adventures in my future. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that it was helpful or informational. And let me know about your lash experience, if you just happen to have great ones, if there's a mascara that you love and maybe you have bad lashes like me and it still works. So share, please. Thank you so much, guys.